Darla, welcome to my channel, Crafty Yarn Owl. And first of all, I want to start off with a praise report. A while back I had told you about our brother-in-law who has a rare form of blood cancer, and the doctor said he wasn't going to make it. That was several months ago. As of now, the cancer is totally undetectable. Yay! Thank you for your prayers and praise God. All right, so I have a few things to show you. I have some whips, 3 whips, 4 whips. One is the same as the other, and a few finished objects. So let's start with a couple of the whips. All right, so my bathroom mats, I've been washing them, and there's foamy stuff that's coming out of them, and it's just making a mess in the washing machine and the dryer. It's like, oh my God, okay, those are going in the garbage. So I thought, you know, I crochet, so why not crochet a couple of mats? So I've combined a gray color and a blue color together. I wasn't sure if I was gonna have enough blue, so I kind of did both mats at the same time because I need 2. So yeah, I plan on making a border around them. But yeah, all it is half double crochets. So I'm working on 2 of those. And the yarn I'm using, I'll show you the other one. It's the same thing. So the yarn I'm using is Paint Box. I had got it from, was it Love Crafts? I can't remember exactly. But it's a cotton, it says Cotton Aran. One color is Granite Gray, and the other one is Sailor Blue. So I'll show you again. That's how they're working up. So yeah, I'm hoping to be done those sometime this week. Would be nice. And also, I'm doing a crochet along with Corina Anna. She used to make what she calls Little Blessings dolls, and she had a line of them. She used to sell them, and she's been showing off a few of them that she still has. And oh my gosh, they're so adorable. So she started a crochet along. So I'm a little behind, but I did get part 1 done. And I think I made a little bit of an error, but because one leg is a little bigger than the other, but not that noticeable. But this is her head, and then you make the little neck, and then you go down and you split it to make the starting of the 2 legs, and these are her panties. Then you make a really beautiful dress to go on her, and her hair and her face and everything. So I'll put her link below if you guys want to go ahead and make these little blessing dolls. They're so cute. I mean, it doesn't look that cute right now, but it will. I'm so excited about the dressmaking part for her. So excited. So yeah. All right, so that's the start of that. And I'm also working on, are you wondering about my hair? Oh, okay, let me tell you what I did. I have a natural wave in my hair, and so after I washed it today, I just turned my head upside down, fluffed it up, turned my head right side out. That's what I was gonna say. Turn myself right side up. Blow dried the top, and used a brush. But the rest of it I didn't dry. I just put in some mousse and I left it. Yeah, I used to have poker straight hair at one time. Then when I got in my 30s, I started getting this little wave underneath. And I don't know, my brother always had wavy, beautiful hair. But yeah, so anyway, in case you like it, let me know. Click the like. So I am working on another tutorial. It's also a wearable, and let me just show you a teensy weensy bit of it. I've done some filming of it. It's gonna take a while, but it starts off in this beautiful blue. And when I do the tutorial, or when I post it, I will of course explain everything, the yarn I used, etc., etc. But that's just a little sneak peek. So be on the lookout for that. I don't know exactly when it'll be up, but you know, it'll be up eventually. Alrighty, so let's see. So as you know, I've been getting Cardmaker kits from Annie's, and I got 4 kits, and they're really too expensive here in Canada. Like, yeah. Anyways, so I decided to cancel the next one, or cancel from now on, and they told me they're already processing the next one for me. So I'm like, okay, I could, when I get it, I could write refused, return to sender. That's what they told me. But I'm gonna be so curious about what it looks like and everything that I'm just gonna keep it and just pay the bill for it, right? My credit card bill. So those of you who like to see those kits, there will be one more. I may try and get kits from other places. I'm not sure. I have to do some research. Someone told me about a kit that she had ordered. She got her first one and she really likes it, and oh, I'm sorry, I can't remember who that was. I did check into it, and I can get it from Canada, so the price was better, but I'm gonna check into it a little bit more. And if anyone else knows card making companies in Canada that have excellent prices, let me know. Like for anything, for paper, for kits, for anything, I would love to know. All right, and you guys are awesome. You guys are absolutely awesome. When I have a question, I get, you know, comments or answers to my questions. Very cool. If you know, if you have an answer, then you leave it in the comments, and I really appreciate that. You guys are awesome. Okay, so the last kit that I got from Annie's, I had showed what they included. So yesterday I decided, all right, they show 4 card samples in their little instruction booklet. So I made all 4 yesterday, and they're really cute. So here we go, I'll show them to you. So this is one of them, and it says to use, oh, I forget what it's called now. It's a glue, I forget what they called it, but anyway, it helps raise the pieces so that they're kind of 3-dimensional. I don't have that. I don't have the 2-sided tape that's raised. Like, I don't have that. But that's okay, don't send it to me. And so what I just did was I cut a couple of little pieces of cardboard, and then I glued that behind. So they're raised. Some of these pieces are raised a little bit. I'm not sure if you can really see. I can see it in person here, but yeah. And then you put these little gems they sent. There's a gem there and a gem there. But yeah, I think it's really cute. When you put them together and you see them in person compared to the pamphlet, it's like, whoa, that is really nice. Even hubby said they were really nice. So there's that one. And I made this one. And this one I raised the same way with the little bits of cardboard behind. So there's bees, a big bee there. And I made them exactly the way they showed in the samples. And these little, gem things around the 4 corners, I think that really adds to it a lot. Yeah, This is that one, and then there's one more. I did this one a little bit wrong because I was a little rushing myself, but this ribbon is supposed to actually go on the card before you put the paper, so it's wrapped around so you don't have this part where it doesn't look like it's wrapped around. So yeah, and I had to use hot glue to glue this on here, because I did this separately as well. This little bow thing, it's not really a bow, but yeah. So I really, really like those. I really do. So now I've got lots of paper. Well, not lots, but quite a bit of paper left. And look at all these, like all these die cuts. They came in 4 sheets. And when you pop them out of there, I just can't believe how many there are. There's like tons. It just seemed like tons. Little flowers and bees and like... That wasn't closed. Oh dear. It's a good thing I can laugh at myself. Okay, I'm going to have to get that stuff off the floor before the kitty cats and knock it all over the house. Oh, hello. Okay, don't play with that. All right, so I guess I'm going to end my video right here. Thank you so much for joining me today again. And, oh, both cats are down there now. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Oh, I also want to say that, let's see, I put notes here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so couple of things before I go. Affordably Crafty. Hi, Kim. Her and I did a yarn swap through Have a Yarn with Charlie. Hi, Charlie. She was kind of matching people up, whoever wanted to do a yarn swap, which I thought was really cool. So Affordably Crafty and I did one. She got my package. I told her, go ahead and make a video, but she hasn't yet, and that's okay. She'll make it when she's ready. I haven't got her package yet, but I'm waiting. I'm excited. And also Cajcrafts. Hi, Caj. Her and I did a swap before. She's in Scotland. I'm in Canada, so... Oh, don't do that. She's playing with the stuff. So we're doing another one. So I'm so excited. Kaj, I emailed you and I said I had sent your package on Sunday. So I haven't heard yet. Maybe didn't get the email. Who knows? Who knows with this crazy technology. Doesn't always work the way you want it to. And you know what they're going to do? They're going to blame it on COVID. Everything's blamed on COVID. So, yeah, I found some really cool stuff for you. I think you're really going to like it. And also, Gail, Patricia, Dollar Tree hauls, and more. Hi, Gail. Oh my gosh, she is sending me something, and I'm so excited. And I just, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So she sent that to me on Monday, so hopefully I don't know, she's just in the next province from me, so hopefully it won't take too long to get here. I'm just so excited. The mail has not come yet. So if I have Happy Mail, or, yeah, if I have Happy Mail, I will come back on and do a video again. Yes. All right, thank you for joining me today. Thank you for subscribing, clicking that bell. You actually have to go into the app if you have it on your phone to see your notifications. It'll say at the bottom, notifications, and then it'll say 9+ if you have 9 or more. You click on that, they all pop up for the channels you're subscribed to. On a computer, like a desktop or laptop, I think it may work the same way. But yeah, that they're not sending out emails anymore, and that I don't like that. I don't like that. So, and I've heard a lot of complaints. So, anywho, I know a lot of the time I wouldn't get notifications in my emails, and I did complain about that. Then when I thought they had it fixed, they changed it. Anywho, all right, so I have a lot of videos to catch up on too, because, you know, life. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, I'll talk to you again later, or in a day or two. All right, love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.